Hi, I have a game here. It's called Dinosaur Dominoes. Wow! Do you want to play? Yes? Okay. Shall we start with this one? So this is a Stegosaurus. And this one is a Triceratops. Wow! So if we put this one here, we need to find either a Stegosaurus or a Triceratops. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, which one do you think this one matches? Do you think it matches the Triceratops or the Stegosaurus? The Triceratops or the Stegosaurus? The Stegosaurus, well done! Wow! So now we have a Diplodocus or a Triceratops that we need to find. Let's have a look. Ooh. What do you think we need to use? Do we need to use the Diplodocus or the Pterodactyl? The Diplodocus or the Pterodactyl? Let's have a look. Do we think the Pterodactyl goes here? No. Do we think the Diplodocus goes here? Yay! Well done. So now we're looking for a Triceratops or a Pterodactyl. Let's have a look. Ooh. So, which one do you think has a matching dinosaur? Which one? So we have a Triceratops or a Pterodactyl. Which one do you think is the matching dinosaur? That's right, this one. This one is a Triceratops. So this one goes here. Should we put it down here, look? Well done! And now we have a Velociraptor, or raptor for short, or a Pterodactyl to look for. Should we have a look? Yes? Okay. Ooh. Which one do you think has the matching dinosaur? So we have Pterodactyl, a T-Rex, or a Triceratops. Ooh, which one do we think needs to go on the board? Let's have a look. So, do we think this goes here or this one? No. Do we think this one goes here? No. Or this one? No. What about here? Well done! Well done, that's correct. So, let's have a look. Ooh, this one might be a bit tricky. Which one do you think is the matching dinosaur? So we have a T-Rex or a raptor. That's right, either one of them could go on the board. Which one should we do? Should we put the raptor down Yes? Okay, let's put it down. There we go. Yay! And should we put the T-Rex down as well? Yes? Okay. Oh, we're doing so well. We have one more left. Where do you think it goes? We have a Triceratops or a Stegosaurus. Which one do you think is the matching dinosaur? It's the Stegosaurus. Well done. Thank you for helping me.